So are you an artist who would like to learn more about marketing your artwork? Would you like to learn how to get into an art gallery, or maybe take your artwork and become a licensed artist and make merchandise out of your artwork? Well, you've come to the right place. So it can be lonely, it can be expensive, and it can be hard to be an artist. I'll give you tips and tricks on what art supplies you need and what art supplies you don't need. My name is Dena Tollefson, and I'm a professional artist, a full-time artist. So in addition to art career and art marketing advice, I also do painting tutorials. So I work in oil and acrylic, and I also do watercolor and watercolor pencil demonstrations. So I hope that you'll come in and join in on that fun. And these art tutorials are kind of zen and relaxed. I'm really hoping that you will subscribe to my channel and come on back and leave some comments. I'm really wanting you to join in. We've got some great artists that are part of this community, and everyone is very supportive, and I want you to become a part of that community. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and come back and see me again. So until next time, it's Dena Tollefson, and all my best to you. Bye-bye.